Hello everyone, have you ever left your phone downstairs or your phone died and you wanted to cook some of the most amazing food you've ever had, but you needed a timer? Or what happens if you're playing basketball with your friends and your phone dies with a few seconds left on the clock? More on that later. Or you just want to study for 20 minutes and then take a break without the distractions of a phone, like psychological studies suggest. Or you just miss the good old days when you weren't completely reliant on your phone for everything. Well, you're in luck, we've got you covered. The Kutchony Timer goals were to be portable, accurate, and safe. We also wanted to make accessible to everyone, from the struggles of getting a nice and compact PCB design to making sure the software did what we hoped. We are very proud that our timer has flashing lights with multiple brightness levels for those that are hard of hearing. We also have a nice 440 hertz tone with variable volume levels for those with sensitive ears. The timer satisfies the IP43 safety ratings, and we also have a nice and lightweight and compact design. And in the future, we would like to make it have multiple different colors and have those colors change when the timer ends so you can very easily tell when it's done. We also would like to make the case more aesthetically pleasing. And now that we've talked to you about the timer, how about we go ahead and show you how it actually works? Okay, so as you can see, we have this battery pack that has a toggle switch right here that turns it on and off. Now if we take a look at the actual timer itself, we can see that, so this top left button will be your start and stop button throughout the entire thing. So if you want to actually get the buzzer to stop at the end, you gotta press this button. This button right here changes the color of the LED, and it will do that throughout the entire thing unless we're in the loop where the timer is actually ended, at which point the functionality of the button will then turn to a snooze button, and it will snooze it for 1 minute. So as you can see, these buttons here, we got 4 of them, and it's each button is above what LED it controls. And for this first one, we go up to 5. It goes up to 9. The next one goes up to 5. This last one goes up to 9 again. So now let's try to show you how this works. So let's just set it first for like 11 seconds. So if I press start, it'll start pausing. And if I press this button again at any point, it pauses it. And if I can press play, and I can still change the brightness level. But now let's see what happens. So you can see it's going off. And this little knob right here will change the volume. So if I just spin this, you can turn it all the way down to off. But let's just turn it all the way back up. So now let's press the button to stop it. So now we press the button to stop. So let's just test it one more time, and we'll just show how the snooze button works. So let's say 10 seconds this time. So it's still changing the lights, but just wait. So now it's turned off. We press the snooze button, it goes and resets the timer to 1 minute. And again, we can still change the brightness level, and we can stop it. Start. And see, so it's working as we expect it to.